The Battle of the Humanoids. The race to build the perfect humanoid robot is heating up. Leading the way are Hyundai's Atlas and Tesla's Optimus. While both look like humans, they have very different goals. Hyundai designed Atlas for heavy-duty factory work. It is incredibly strong, capable of lifting over 50 kilograms and surviving extreme temperatures. Atlas can even rotate its body in ways humans cannot, making it a superhuman machine. However, it is heavy and expensive, costing nearly $150,000. In contrast, Tesla's Optimus is built for daily life. It focuses on mimicking human movements to help with chores like cooking or folding laundry. It is lighter, cheaper, and has a longer battery life than Atlas. Meanwhile, China's Unitree is also entering the race with its athletic robot, H2. As these companies compete, we may soon see humanoid robots working alongside us in our homes and factories.